happiness is everything. Happiness comes from peace. Happiness is a secret of productivity. Happiness is a secret of health. And world needs wonderful happiness coaches in every house so that they are sunshine. Yes, I'm very, very happy, blessed today with a great, great, great happiness coach. She is Shalu Goel, a great leader with a vision, mighty vision, divine vision to ensure that all countries, including India, rises up in the happiness index. Welcome, Shalu ma'am.
Thank you so much for a lovely introduction. I'm not that great as you mentioned. Yes, but I do have a vision.
Humble, yeah.
No. But I do have a vision for India to rises its happiness index. Yes, we are working towards when it comes to clean India and save India. So many things are there, but nobody is talking about the happiness. I think that also should be our priority. So let's make it one and move forward.
Shalu Goel and her army will make it happen. Yes, it all starts with a vision. Walt Disney also created a dream which he could not see physically, but he saw it 10,000 times. So I see a happy India, a happy world with you, with your selfless work. So please tell us about your magic, your values, your work.
I'm not doing any kind of magic or something. I'm just making people aware, like what is true happiness. There's a term called temporary happiness and the permanent happiness. So I'm just leading people towards the permanent happiness stage from where there's no going back. Yes, there will be moments of sadness. There will be moments of when you are feeling frustrated. There will be anxiety issues still, but you will be able to overcome that situation very easily, very quickly. That is the power of happiness. That's it.
How did it all start? Where did it start? When did you realize happiness is my mission? And how did you get the light? What is true happiness?
Mainly it started in the COVID. Like it took shape in the COVID period. But before that, I was also, very keen, always very keen to help others. And if you really ask me from where it comes, then it comes from my parents. We are not from a very financially strong family, but the values were very high. I always see my father helping others. Even if he don't have anything, he was willing to help others, and which makes him really happy. So that was the thing that I take from him, and I learned from him in the so many years and nurtured it in within myself. So whenever there was any difficult situations, he never let us down. And as a whole family, we stood together, we fight with all the problems happily, I can say that. So from there it comes. I remember one of my very old manager told me, I never saw you with a worried face in the organization. And trust me, I was not working in an organization where many people you will see with the tense faces. So, and that's how, I was trying to spread a little bit of smiles here and there, but not on a very good scale. But in the pandemic time, I saw many people are facing, real life problems, and it is spreading all over the world. Not only the COVID is spreading, but the sadness, the anxiety, depression are also spreading. These are the diseases that nobody is talking about. So that's where I started believing, and it's the right time for me to start practicing my things and teaching whatever I've learned from the life, to teach it to the whole world, so they can also feel the same kind of peaceness and the calmness in their life.
Beautiful. Amazing. Thanks to COVID, it taught us many priceless life lessons. And
Right.
it gave birth to a lot of big projects. And it brought out our best in many ways. Yes, we have
Amen.
leaders like you leading. Thanks to your parents who gifted you invaluable values. So please tell us, what is the secret of happiness? What is the secret behind your smile? When you were spreading smiles in the workplace amidst all the stress. So please tell us more about it. What
If
makes
you
you
ask me
smile?
one secret,
Yes.
then there's one secret to my happiness that I would like to share with everyone. Like I never, all of us never forgets to recharge our phones. So the same way, I never forget to recharge my soul, recharge my happiness. Yes, there are at the end of the day, I also feel tired. Sometimes I also feel frustrated, but I never left it there. I asked
Beautiful.
myself why I'm feeling so, and I took initiative. I spent time with myself, what I like to do, and that makes me more happy, and that gives me more energy to spread around.
You also spoke about temporary happiness and permanent happiness. Yes,
Yeah.
I got your point of recharging self, recharging your soul. But
Right.
please enlighten us on these two things, the temporary and the permanent happiness.
Okay. There could be people, who are always chasing things. We are always comparing ourselves with others.
Yes.
That gives us temporary happiness. So instead of going after the temporary happiness, if we look for the solutions that will make us permanently happy, that's more beneficial. For example, nowadays everybody wants to have a fit body. Okay, so people are going to the gyms. I'm not saying that gyms are bad, but if you are doing it because so many other friends are doing it, and you want to click few pictures and post it on the Instagram, that will give you compliments for one day. Okay, it will not bring any kind of changes in your life. But if we make it a habit and practice it daily, after a year, when you will compare, like before 1 year I was like 85, now I am 79 or something, and I'm more active, I'm more energetic, I've less stress. That will make you really happy. Of getting wishes from everywhere, getting the clothes for the gym, or getting the so many compliments, so you started gym and other stuff, that will make you temporary happiness. Yes, yay, I'm also in the league. So we should not do something to be a part of the league. Instead of that, we should do something which resonates with us, which resonates with our body, which is necessary for our body and soul.
Beautiful. So when did the magic happened in you? When did you realize the magic and power of permanent happiness? So I got this exercise example, but if you can go deep into it, how can I be permanently happy throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout the month, throughout the year? Not just happy birthday, but happy every day.
Yes.
Please tell us more.
Yeah. So if you see in my logo, there's a very my logo is making every day blissful.
Yes.
So that is the meaning of it. I don't want to create the temporary happiness. It should be permanent. So for the beginners, we should start with the small exercises that will keep us, a little more happier and stress-free, and then increase the level of happiness, happy hours, turn the minutes into the hours and the hours into the days, days into the months, months into the year. And then slowly by practicing every day, we will, definitely achieve it. But
It's a
definitely,
habit.
like any other skill, we have
Yeah,
to learn this, practice it, so that it becomes our habit.
beautiful. It's a habit, it's a choice, it's a decision, and it is a
It's a
skill. Make it every day.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Make it every day, right?
So, what is your three happiest moments? What are your three happiest moments?
Every day is a very happy day for me. Whenever I wake up in the morning, that is the most happiest day in my entire day, in the entire life, because I've got a new day to do something. And the second most important moment is whenever I do something new. So I always try to do something or find some new way to do the previous work, or try to do something new which I haven't done earlier. That's make me really happy. And at the end of the day, when I see how I spent my day, did I shout on anybody, or how much love I'm able to spread, that makes me most happy.
Super. Giving is happiness.
This is a
And that
happy.
comes from Papa, I know. Great, great, super. So, your favorite movies?
My favorite movie, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
Wow, yes. Every moment is a meditation. Yes, I love
But
those moments.
recently I watched Minimalist. So I will recommend that one to everybody. That's a very nice movie.
Sure. I'm yet to see that. So look forward to seeing that. And what are three pieces of advice you want to give, to a teenager or a youth of today?
So whenever I'm talking to the youth of today, they have so many complaints. They are very fascinated by the words like, affirmations, gratitude, but they really don't know how to practice it. So start practicing it. Don't always be comparing yourself with the others. Stop comparing and start praising the efforts that your parents are putting into your life to bring you up in this life, to give the lifestyle they are able to give you. We should appreciate that. Once you start the appreciating everything and stop comparing, your life will be changed totally.
Truly, truly. So accept and appreciate. It makes it very easy to live every day with joy and gratitude, of course. Thank you to parents. Thank you to everything I have. Yes. Great. Your favorite song?
My favorite song. Okay, I'm a Punjabi, so I love Punjabi songs. Any kind of Punjabi song, dance.
गा दो फिर दो लाइन हमारे लिए.
I'm a very bad singer, so can't.
No problem. So we respect your choice. So we wish you the best for your mission, for the fifth mantra. But what is the fifth mantra?
Oh, so that is another startup that take birth in this COVID only, thanks to the COVID, when we started from offline channel to the online channel. Two beautiful ladies with me, Tehmina Khan and Juni George Burgess. We three started this company named The Fifth Mantra. In that, we train people, corporates in the sector of communication training.
Wow.
So like there is a concept of physical training, physical fitness. We brought in the concept of communication fitness. Amazing concept. I request everybody to go through our Instagram and LinkedIn profiles, and you'll come to know more about it.
Super. I'm excited to know more. Fifth mantra. What is that? Number 5. And what are the 4? Great. So you kindle curiosity and you give fitness in communication. I should learn from you. So I wish you the best for your noble mission, and let's keep spreading happiness and smiles. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you.